Greetings and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Here each and every morning at 5 a.m. Jamaica time, there's a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Sophia Nicholson. I'm a radio and television host here in South Florida. For more information about me, check in the description below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 6, verse 46 to 49. What me could call me Lord, Lord, and not do what me say. The one will come to me, hear what me say, and do what me say, let me tell you something about him. Him coming like one man will build up one house. Him dig down deep in the ground so him could have built the house on rock stone. The place flood out and the river come down and beat against the house, but couldn't mash it down, because the house did build up strong. But the one will hear me word and not do what me say, him coming like somebody will build one house when there no foundation. The place flood out and the river come down and beat against the house, and it dropped down and mash up. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.